Instagram direct. That's a brand new one. Send people from ads to direct conversations with your business. Your ad will only run on Instagram and will be shown to people more likely to chat on Instagram direct. How cool is that?
So first thing is, once you import, you'll definitely see this flow, but we're gonna build it from scratch just in case you would like to create one from scratch or if you have a few updates. So let's name it. Start by creating a flow, name it correctly. And starting point, the triggers, you can add a ref URL directly from the flow builder and edit the name. And you can save. And also you can add in advance the keyword trigger. Keyword has two options, SMS and Messenger. So we're gonna select Messenger. So since I already have imported the template earlier, I have the VIP club as the keyword. So I'm just gonna use VIP sample and create. So since we now have the trigger, we're gonna start creating the flow itself. So first section is gonna be our welcome message. Since this is an immediate message that the user receives, and you no longer have to add a content type. So we have welcome, a short delay or typing delay. We had another set of instructions or criteria for the promotion. Add a short delay. And the invite to, or the question if they would like to continue or not. Of the welcome message, which is asking if they would like to continue or not, or if they agree with the current setup we are going to use. The agree message, it didn't save, and not interested. All right, so now that we have both sections, you can always add a tag that would say if they are interested or not. So this can be interested in BF and CM promotion, and the other tag can be not interested. After the interested section, we're now going to ask for their phone number. Now, if you wanted to ask for their emails, you can also add it in here. But currently, on this example, we want to have a fewer steps so we get higher number of subscribers that would actually complete the flow. So we add our question. Always select your reply type as a phone. And let's see. Currently loading it. All right. And always enable save phone to system field. And always add the action that opts them in to SMS. So this is actually the new update. User input expiration date. So I wanted this to expire within 1 hour. And if they haven't responded or provided their phone number, I can go ahead and send out a message and ask if they are still interested. And ask them if they are still interested. And if they say yes, I'll just have them go back to add the phone number. If no, I'll just have them go to the acknowledgement message. And once they added their phone number, So once you're done with the user input asking for their phone numbers, just add a simple condition just to counter check if the user indeed add or has their phone numbers on file. So phone has any value, and then if you selected US as your SMS country, you may want to opt to use phone country code and select US. That way, the rest of the flow will continue for US subscribers if that is your desired market. So if yes, send another message, and then this time this will serve as your OTN request or section where we inform them that if they would like to receive a notification. So if you don't have your OTN enabled, it can easily be enabled around 2 to 3 minutes in total. Just go to your Facebook page, settings, messages. That's where you request OTN approval. It should take you 2 to 3 minutes max. So once you have it approved, add OTN. You can add the OTN topics under settings. So you may want to create those ahead if you're going to use a different OTN topics. Right now I have OTNs under settings, OTN topics, and these are the topics we're currently using. Good thing is once they use the template we're giving them today, it automatically enables the OTN for them if they haven't requested it. But if they're not using the template, we'll also post a recording for those.
Great. Okay, very good.
So going now to our OTN requests, we're gonna have to have two OTN features. So first is you add a short message. It only has a set of few characters you can use. So the shorter, more direct message, the better. So we're using be notified for Black Friday promotion and discounts, and use the OTN topic for Black Friday. Then add another OTN content block, and this time it's gonna be not Black Friday, but instead Cyber Monday. Oops. And topic would be Cyber Monday as well. Now, for future broadcasts, you can use this OTN topics as your messenger tag. It didn't save the copy I wanted. So once we have the OTN topics, on the bottom you will see an option to automatically continue. Now, if you're using an advanced builder or a basic builder, you'll have to select this section. If for advanced builder, just click on the small circle, drag the arrow, and select send message. Or you can actually select action. And we are also going to add a tag for Black Friday notification. Same thing for Cyber Monday. The copy isn't populating yet. Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday 2020 notification. Add another condition just to double check if they are indeed tagged or if they indeed cover both. The condition I have is any of the following conditions. So the condition would check then the tags that you just added. So tag is Cyber Monday. Tag is it's loading pretty slow, but the other tag would be the Black Friday. So let's try it again. So still loading really slow. Let's just move to the last part, which is the confirmation message. Now, for the ones that would like to ask for the user's email, this is where you add your email user input. So instead of a confirmation message, you can just add another user input, ask for email, and save it to system field, then deliver something in return for giving out those emails. But for now, we're just gonna add a regular confirmation message. And that's it. Just go ahead and publish. We have now the keywords connected. We now have the OTN requests connected. Confirmation message is connected. Phone number is automatically saved to system field. So you can go ahead now and create a campaign by importing the template we provided and start generating subscribers afterwards. Sorry about ManyChat, it's kind of slow lately, probably because they are implementing all the updates mentioned yesterday. So just bear with it. It will actually go ahead and update. And that's about it for the ManyChat flow. For Facebook ads, it's fairly simple. Um, so if you're not using if you're going to create a campaign directly from scratch, just go ahead and go to your ads manager, select your campaign objective as messages.
Do we have the template for that they can import, or do they have to go ahead and build it out?
They have a template that they can easily import. It is currently using a ref URL, which is designed for a traffic campaign, since we technically could not create a mockup for messages.
Right. Okay,
so
good.
for
Go ahead.
messages campaign, it's fairly simple. Just add your campaign name, set to CBO since we are using warm audiences, set your campaign budget, set your audiences, and message destination. This is fairly new. It was added yesterday. Instagram Direct for messages campaign.
You guys
This
see that,
applies.
what I'm talking about? How great that, like, that's exciting. WhatsApp has been there for a while. Instagram Direct, that's a brand new one. Send people from ads to direct conversations with your business. Your ad will only run on Instagram and will be shown to people more likely to chat on Instagram Direct. How cool is that? So that's coming.
Yes. So once you have your ad set name updated, your warm audiences added, I would still go ahead and use automatic placements. It's now time to set up your ad level or creative level. Since we are using the general message destination, if you have imported the template, you can either use or for messages, since we could not use mockups, if you have imported the template, it will only be applicable for campaigns that has a destination URL. For this one, you have to build it from scratch. So select your identity, which is your Facebook and Instagram. Add the ad copy. If you have a question about how to have the text or ad copy bold, you may go to yaytext.com. That is yaytext.com. You can have bold, italic, underlined, crushed, ad copy or text formats. So add your primary text, headline, add the image. For creatives, we have a good training for Camtasia and Photoshop inside your Facebook Masters, which everyone has access to. You can go through that and start creating your images, which is fairly simple to create. Let's see, where is my image? So once you have the image, let's just go ahead and import or add the image on the account. Call to action is send message. You can use learn more as well. Both works really well with messages campaign. And the last and final step is your messages setup. Now for keyword, use or select start conversation, edit. And for customer actions, we're going to select or change it to quick replies. Change the greeting text to click below to get instructions on how to join. Change the quick reply to the keyword associated with the template, which is the VIP club. You can use different names of the club. You just have to change the keyword. And I always select none. It still triggers the keyword inside ManyChat once they click on the quick reply. Once that's done, always name your message template. So this is BF and CM 2020 message template. Save and finish. And that's about it. Just go ahead then and publish your campaign. duplicate it to target different audiences, and you are good to go.